Ever notice how the right sound can make or break a moment? That perfect music swell, that crisp voiceover, that spine-tingling effect. Hey there, I'm Coach Shamberger, and after 15 years of professional film editing, I'm here to teach you the art of audio editing. This year, your master Audacity. Learn professional-grade audio techniques and create everything from podcasts to sound design. But this isn't just about software. It's about telling stories that move people, crafting sound that serves a higher purpose, and developing skills that can help you launch your creative career. We're talking hands-on project, real-world applications, and yes, you'll even create your own podcast or sound story. Plus, our unique faith-based approach means we're not just focusing on technical skills. We're exploring how sound can inspire, uplift, and share meaningful messages. As someone who's worked on countless films and projects, I know what it takes to create professional quality audio, and I'm excited to share not just my technical expertise, but also how to use these skills to create content that makes a positive impact. So, are you ready to transform your audio editing skills and tell stories that matter? Join us at True North Academy. Spaces are limited, so click below to secure your spot. Let's create something amazing together.